In this video series, we will calculate quantities using Revit Model. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we made bar bending schedule for columns. Now we will make the bar bending schedule of beams. Go to View ribbon. Click on Schedule Quantities button. Select Structural Rebar from the list of categories. Rename this table as Beam Bar Bending Schedule. Press OK. Now we will select from the available fields. First of all, select Host Category, then Host Mark, Host Count, Bar Diameter, Type, Bar Length, Quantity, Total bar length, Reinforcement volume, Shape, Image. Now we will select lengths A, B, C, D, E, and G. Select Comments and then press OK. This table shows all the rebars used in the project. First of all, let's apply filter on Host Category. Select Host Category. Now in Filter, select Structural Framing. Press OK. This is Beam Bar Bending Details. Now we'll sort the table on Shape parameter. Click on Sorting. Select Shape field. Now uncheck Itemize every option. Now we will insert Shape Image. In Image parameter, click on the 3 dots. In the right side of cell, now we will insert bar shapes. The link of standard bar shapes as per ACI code have been attached in the description below. Choose Shape 0 from the list. Add to one shape as beam stirrups. Now we will resort the schedule to display these values. Click on Sorting. Select bar length as first sorting field. Now select quantity as second sorting field. Now click here to show grand totals. Now we will hide this column by right-clicking on it. Our bar bending schedule is ready. Now to show total quantities, we will click on Formatting. Select Quantities. Change field formatting to calculate totals. Also change the same for reinforcement volume. Now our schedule shows total steel bar quantities and total reinforcement volume. Now we will place our bar bending schedule for beams on the sheet. Just drag and drop this schedule from the project browser. This is the beam bar bending schedule. Number 3 bars are used as stirrups. Stirrups lengths are displayed here. Now we will change this reinforcement volume to steel weight. Open Rebar Schedule. Click on Fields at Properties browser. We will make a custom field to calculate steel weight. Click on this Add Calculated parameter. Name it Steel in Pounds. Now change the discipline to Structural. Type to Reinforcement Volume. Now in Formula, click on 3 dots. To select Reinforcement Volume field, we will multiply this volume with density of steel. To find the weight of steel, click on Steel field and move it up next to Reinforcement Volume. Now open Formatting tab. Click on Steel field. Change field formatting to calculate totals. Now we will change field format. Uncheck Use Project Setting. Change Unit Symbol to None. Now press OK. Now our schedule shows total steel in pounds. Our beam bar bending schedule is ready. In our next video, we will make bar bending schedule for slabs. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.